Metro or you go with that? This one's for all my friends still dreaming. It's hard to keep it up while you're making a living. My friends putting in work, we expect it to pay off, for are we really that stupid? Crouched under a sink, investing in pipe dreams and pinning hopes on lottery tickets. Leave the house at nightfall, walk over uneven slabs alongside the empty boxes of oven dinners and takeaways. They're reclaiming the land and they're starting with the old estates. You can see how something as light as a memory can easily unsettle and fly away. This evermore evident, past the end of the roads where the avenues meet, where I last heard you say we're expecting the shame to lift suit as the money's right. Well, there ain't the riches for that. Raising hearts and bank accounts might be mutually exclusive. You can see how something as light as a memory can easily unsettle and fly away. Oh, if right now we ain't nothing but pipe dreams, then we've only got pipe dreams to lose. But our children will walk under the archways or set charges in the corridors of all the lawmakers. From the tower blocks you'll hear the towns we grew up in ain't come to conversation. Tasting midnight with heavy eyes, I'll be here when the confetti flies, stay for when the curtain drops. This one's for all my friends still dreaming. It's hard to keep it up while you're making a living. This one's for all my friends still dreaming. It's hard to keep it up while you're making a living. hard to